All right, so do you want to make a hanging swag or you want to make a table swag?
You make what you want to make.
I think we'll just do a little table arrangement.
Go for it.
Okay, so let's make this. I'm going to make this a centerpiece, so I'm going to put the back tails long enough where they can kind of have a party. Because we want a party. So I'm going to do that pretty long. I think it's 26 inches long. I hope we have enough. I think we're going to make it. You do need to check your roll before you
Do I have
all
enough?
the way into it. Get all the way into it. Do you love decorating for Christmas?
I do.
Making Christmas stuff?
I do.
Me too. It's literally, I was so excited that y'all invited me. I was like, oh my gosh, I love doing Christmas.
Oh, you want truth be told? I didn't know that you were coming until yesterday.
Oh, well,
Until I came.
truth be told, I didn't know I was coming until the day before. I had to see if we could wing it.
We were literally at a table. I'm like, please come in.
I was like, I'm coming.
What's going on here?
Man. All right, I'm doing these loops at 7 inches, you guys, if y'all want to know. I'm going to start out kind of big because it's going to be laying flat in there, which will work fine because we don't need to worry about them flopping too much. What do you call it? Duponi. George, do you have more of this one?
No.
Okay. Well, I'll just put a
We
strip
have
in.
another stripe if you want stripe. It's just not that exact.
That's okay. I'm just going to put a little strip of this in.
Okay.
Y'all, I'm switching these tails top and bottom because I'm going to have them go through that centerpiece both directions. Okay, so I don't want them both going the same way.
How's the weather here? It was just pouring. Before we went live earlier, it was pouring, and then we went live, and I feel like we sent the rain away because then it got really quiet.
It's better, right?
But it's been raining on and off. But we're gonna work it out. It's gonna be good.
Yeah, Fancy, did you have a lot of rain on your drive? Because it was. Oh, good. Because it was pouring on getting on the airplane this morning. I mean, it was loaded. I think I'm gonna do this kind of like a reverse. What do you call them? Blast off bow. I'm gonna do 3, 2, and then 3. So if you're a Bow Wednesday person, you know blast off bow means 3, 2, 1. We're going to start with 2 and then do 3. I mean, I like the fancy panty. Yes. Nice. That's cute.
It is cute. It's very cute.
I'm loving that. All right. We'll put another layer in. Y'all, looks like how cute is that? All right. I'm going to bring a little bit of that ribbon from the back to the front. Kind of ground it down. I'm going to finish with 1 loop on top. I think it's about 5 inches.
So give it to us straight.
What?
Is your house a mess like this? Your creating area?
Yeah. I keep it pretty and what they see on screen.
And the rest of it is like
yeah,
stuff over.
I just recently cleaned. I did recently clean, so it is not too bad yet. It's not too bad. And y'all, I am dovetailing today, which I don't do that a lot, but in the centerpiece, I feel like these are going to show more. The tails are going to show.
Mm-hmm.
So I want to make it a little prettier. All right, let's take this beauty off of here. Slide it up. All right, so here's my bow. It ended up being a 2-3-1. If you're a Bow Wednesday watcher, you'll know what that means. But check it out. Cute, right?
Kali does a live every single Wednesday at 7 o'clock,
Yeah.
and it's all bows.
All those, yes.
Bow Wednesday.
Earlier, you saw me put the tails opposite because I'm going to pop that right in the middle. Boom. All right, I'm going to tie it down.
Look how easy that just happened.
Oh, isn't it cute?
Look how easy that just happened.
Boom. It's fun.
The name of Kali's page is Kali's.
Please. I mean, it's unique, right?
Keleas. That's the name of her page, Kali's.
I do all my bows on the Easy Bow Maker. Mm-hmm. So if you have one, you want to learn more about how to use it, that's my preferred method. Okay, probably want to tuck that down. We'll play with it while we're putting stuff in.
So the bow just took up so much room. It just did so much work already.
Yes, it did. It filled it right up. So we were talking earlier about where do we put the bow first or second, And something like, I prefer to always put the bow second, really, or finally. But in something like this, you're going to have to work around it.
Mm-hmm.
So you would save a lot of material. Like Jordan was, pointing out, hey, you save a lot of material if you put it in second. I mean, first.
Yeah.
And work around it.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. I'm going to start with, how about, let's start with a little more, I love this kind of pine.
These are so pretty.
And I'm just going to use that's one neat thing about using a garland piece like this. You can just wire in with the garland.
Mm-hmm. Take those branches right from the whatever.
Is we use the basic pine for the base, which is less expensive, and we popped in some nicer.
Mm-hmm. Do you need another one?
No. All right, let me trim a couple of these real quick.
Guys, if you don't know Khalees, she is mad talented.
Oh, thank you. I love this stuff. If you love doing something, you'll get good at it.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Enough practice.
You will just practice and practice.
And you're just winding those all into the branches.
I'm just winding it in. If I were doing this with a glue pot, I don't use a glue gun. So if I get that glue gun out, I know I'll burn myself. So if I were doing this at home, I would probably go ahead and I'd pop a little glue and I'd wire it.
Okay.
Just kind of like a backup.
Yeah.
You know? All right, I'm gonna pop this in. Maybe just pop in the bottom. I need a kind of a bit of a nub on it. Because we're not gluing. That right down there. That's cute. Alright, I'm gonna do it at the bottom here. I'm gonna pop a few of these in more to the center. I think that would be really cute.
There he is. Sorry, guys. I keep yawning.
Got this so far, guys. I'm envisioning hanging it this way. So far. Oh, I have to do a better job tying that one in. We're tying everything in here because of the no glue pot for me. Maybe we'll add this because it makes it a little country-ish.
How many do you need?
Maybe one more, I think would work.
Cottage. So what makes it feel cottagey to you, the plaid?
Well, there's not as much glitter going on. There's plaid. We've got the check.
Mm-hmm.
So it's for people who want more traditional Christmas.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna curl that up.
When you mix, see, I'm learning. See, I'm absorbing this. When you mix, Max.
Well, if you get too many different themes going in your design, right?
Mm-hmm.
Unless you're a really good designer, it's a lot harder to pull that off.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's cute in there. I like that. Yeah, I'm having to pop a little more glue because these don't have enough wire. I think it looks pretty good, and we made it for a low table centerpiece. So, can they see it?
Real simple.
Very easy.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, it's cute.
Super cute. Very, very good.
Cute.